Welcome to Story Chronicles, welcome back to another video. Today we will explore who command in Linux, but before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, comment and share. Linux system administrators often need quick access to information about users who are currently logged in the system. For this purpose, Linux provides the who command, which is included in the GNU core utilities. These commands help you identify active users, system boot time, run level details, and more. So in this tutorial you will learn how to use who command, learn its syntax, commonly used option, and real-world examples that make system monitoring easier. So Linux who command syntax. The basic syntax is who, options, and file. If no options or file are specified, the commands read the user login information from the default system file. From this file, cat var run utmp. So the command reads user login information from the default system file. This file stores details about current user session on Linux system. The who command supports multiple flags that change or extend its output. Here are some options. -a, display all available information. -b, shows the last system boot time. -d, list did processes. -h, display columns headers. -m, display information about current terminal session, and so on. The who command is commonly used to monitor user activity, system uptime, and session details. Let's walk through some practical examples. Running who command without any argument, any options, list all users currently logged in the system. So who, and you can get the same output using short format option. Who -s. On system with many users, pipe output to more for easier reading you can use. So you can use more, pipe, and more. You can see user, terminal session, time, and other information. To make the output easier to understand, especially in scripts or reports, use -h option. Who -h. So here we see name, username, line, seed0, TTI2, time, comment. To view information about your own terminal session, use who -m. Let's first clear the screen. Who -m. Why I don't see output? Because I'm connected to my terminal locally. If you're connecting to your terminal via SSH, you can see output. To see terminals waiting for login, you can use who -l. If no output appears, it usually means there is no waiting login processes. This is commonly on a system using graphical logins or SSH-only accesses. To check when the system was last time restarted, you can use who -b. So this is system boot time, the last time when system restarted. This is helpful when investigating system reboots or uptime issues. To display only usernames along with the total numbers of logged in user, you can use who -q. So currently logging in our system 2 users. Both users, it's me. This provides a quick overview of system usage. To see whether user terminal are writable, you can use who -t. So you can see plus means that terminal is writable, terminal device not found. Also you can see minus, which means terminal is not writable. To list active processes started during system boot, you can use who -p. On modern system using systemd, this output may be empty since processes are managed by differently than on traditional init-based systems. To view processes that have terminated but are still tracked, you can use who -d. If there are no did processes, the command returns no output. To check the system run level, you can use who -r. This is mainly relevant on system using traditional init run level. So our current run level run level 5. To display last time when the system clock was updated, you can use who minus t. On many modern systems, this may return no output due to systemd behavior. To see how long each user has been inactive, you can use who minus u. So here you can see the idle time. To print comprehensive output containing all available details, you can use minus a. Let's clear the screen. Who minus a. And let's add minus h. And you can see the process ID, comment, idle time, when this process started. So the line TTI2. Also, you can see run level, users, is terminal writable or not, and other information. Some option combines multiple flags into a single detailed view, ideal for quick system diagnostics. The Linux who command is powerful yet simple utility for monitoring logged in users and system activity. When you need to check the user session, system boot time, idle users, or run level information, who provides fast, reliable insight. Mastering this command makes daily system administration and troubleshooting significantly easier. So you can also check manual pages for who command and see all other options which I don't indicate in this lesson. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.